So to cut a senator, this is for a small boy of around 12 years old. So I'm going to divide my body measurements, which is 29 divided by 4, which will give me 7.5. Then I'll add just 1.5 to it, making 9 inches. Let me just go with 9. Okay, let me just go with 9.5 inch. So I'm going to mark that down. I'm going to write that down. Don't forget to use your iron. It's most important. But that's where you get a balancing clothes. It's very, very important. Nine and a half. So the length is 26. So I'll just have to mark it here. Mark it here also. Then I'll cut it out. Cut that out. Then to cut out the back, all I just have to do is just to do the same thing here. I measure my 9.5. Make sure you're having 9.5 inch here. So to my 26, I'll have to add 4 to it. 4 plus 26, which will be the bending allowance and the M allowance, making 30. Then I have to mark it also. Then I'll roll and cut. Then I'll cut this. So I'll cut it right now. So all you have to do at this point, I need your attention because this is the most important part of this cutting of the clothes. All you have to do now is to place your front over your back like this. You see there is an allowance here. I want you to see that clearly. See there is a space here. So all you have to do is to measure 1.5 here for the shoulder slant. Because our shoulder is not straight, there has to be a bit of bending here. So you shape it out and you cut. You shape it out here and you cut. Can you see that? Bend it, that's your shoulder allowance. So all you have to do now is just to move this a little bit to the back. Move this to the back and fold this over it, maybe like just 1 inch. Can you see that? Fold it over it. If you have your iron with you, you can just iron this down. Can you see that? It's not straight enough, so I have to. So you can just iron it like that. So all you have to do now is just to measure your neck out. The neck measurement is 12. So I'm gonna test this, maybe it's up to 12 here. So all you have to do is just to cut this. So you measure, you have your 12 here. Can you see that? That's 6. 6 plus 6 making 12. Because the cloth is folded into 2. Do you see that? So we have our neck cut out. And now we have to cut our shoulder, which is 12 also. Plus the sewing allowance here, making 12 and a half. Can you see that? So I'll measure it here. Now take the armhole also. Then I also measure my shoulder, which is 6 and a half here. I'll measure it here too. Then I'll make a roll. To get the normal shoulder, all you have to do is just to add ½ inch at the back here. Divide your shoulder by 2. 6 and a half divided by 2, that will be 4 3/4. Can you see that? Then you add ½ inch to this place. So when you shape your shoulder from here, all you just have to do is just to shape it to the ½ inch that you took here. Then you join it back to your main shoulder. So we have to cut that out also. So that's how to cut a senator. Can you see that? In order to give a little bit of shape around here, so all you have to do is just to take out 1 inch. Measure, because this is a child, if it's a grown-up man, you have to like measure 7 or 8 under the chest. But this is small boy, you can just take like 6 inch from here. Then you take 1 inch out of here and just make a little shape in order to have a fitted feel around the body. So we'll just cut this out at the back of the mark. Can you see that? Can you see? So that is it on how to cut a senator for a young boy. And if you're new to my channel, make sure you click the subscriber button to stay updated to my new video. And I'll see you on my next coming video very soon. Thank you.